Hello, I'm Sedef Köse from Turkey Eczacıbaşı Consumer Products Company. We are producing tissue paper products and chemical products and some wet wipes. And we are one of the biggest tissue producer in Turkey. We have a well-known brand Selpak. And we are happy to be here this fair, and we are definitely to come next year also. There is a lot of visitors from all over the world, and happy to be here. Listen.
My name is Nahed Basma. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director, Queenex Hygiene Paper Manufacturing. We are a tissue paper mill located in Abu Dhabi. We've been in this exhibition, Paper One Show, all the time. The fair was very success, even during this difficult time. All the customers, mainly like let's say 80%, had visited us from different countries, from Syria, Turkey, Iraq, Iran, and locally and all GCC country. I believe the fair was, or the Paper One Show was good enough to be participate on next time. Thanks a lot for Mr. Tarek and the team of Paper One Show. Wish you all the best all the time. Thank you.
عبد الله الخطيب من شركة الاتحاد لصناعة الورق، وأيضا من شركة كراون بيبر ميل. أنا أدير هذول المصنعين. أنا بشارك في هذا المصنع في هذا المؤتمر أو في هذا المعرض من سنين طويلة. إحنا من مؤسسين مع طارق فقاس هذا المصنع. صراحة هذا المصنع كل سنة عن سنة بيتطور، وعدد المشاركين فيه بيزداد، ونشوف ناس بتشارك فيه من جميع أنحاء العالم. في البدايات كان مقصور على منطقة الخليج وبلاد الشام، لكن اليوم والله الحمد بنشوف ناس بزورونا من الهند، من الصين، من أوروبا. يعني المعرض بلش يثبت اسمه ويحط اسمه على خارطة المعارض الورقية، وفائدتنا كبيرة لأنه بتجعلنا نتعلم من ناس بزورونا ونطور أسواقنا، وزبايننا المعتادين بزورونا. فهذه كل الأمور بتشتغل في مصلحتنا، وأنا أتوقع أنه المعرض راح يكبر أكثر في السنوات القادمة.
Merhabalar, Mürşit Tetik ben. Varaka Kağıt'tan geliyoruz, Türkiye'den. Albayrak grubu adı altında kağıt üretimi yapıyoruz. Bizim ilk fuar deneyimimiz oldu. Paper One Show bizim için güzel bir deneyimdi. Yani burada bizim adımıza ilgi çok güzeldi. 200'e yakın tedarikçiyle bir araya geldik. Ağırlıklı olarak Orta Doğu, Hindistan, Pakistan bölgelerinden olmak üzere güzel diyaloglar kurduk. Varaka olarak biraz tanıtmam gerekirse günlük 1000 ton imalat yapan, ambalaj kağıdı üretimi yapan bir tesis. Kendi enerjimizi tamamen kendimiz üretiyoruz. Yurt içi ve yurt dışı pazarlarına ihracatlarımız var. Fluting testliner ve torba kağıt üretimi yapıyoruz. 60 ila 200 gram aralığındaki bütün kağıt çeşitlerini yapıyoruz. Bu yılda yeni ürün gamlarımız olacak. Beyaz testliner ve karton ürün gruplarına da inşallah bu yıl geçiş yapacağız. Muhtemelen önümüzdeki yıllarda bu fuarlarda bizler de sık sık bulunacağız. Hem Paper One Show hem de Paper One Show adına bizlere yardımcı olan arkadaşlara teşekkür ederiz.
I'm Arjun from Haber, India. So Haber is an industrial automation company, particularly artificial intelligence and machine learning based automation for paper industry. So we are participating first time in Paper Show, Paper One Show, and we had very good response from customers or visitors from different countries like Jordan, Italy, India, and the technology is primarily focused on we call saving water, energy, and sustainability. So the response is very good, and Paper One Show is really a good show, and definitely we would like to participate in Paper One Show again, because that response from different visitors from different countries for the technology Elixir is really very good. So because the visitors believe that this technology can help improve their process efficiency and reduce the water consumption significantly.
Hello, I'm Mohammed Tamer Sheri from Valmet. We had a good time in the Paper One show, and we are basically a Finland-based company. And in this Paper One show, we had visitors from most of all over the world, and we had more customers from India and Algeria and all over the UAE, and we get to meet more people than we expected actually. And we had a very good time in this Paper One show. And in the future also, maybe we will collaborate with them, and we would like to continue participating in this Paper One show.
My name is Abdelaziz Al-Mash'al. I'm a board member at Saudi Paper Group and the CEO assistant. To be honest, this exhibition is very nice, very huge. We met with a lot of converters, a lot of other paper mills. Our company, Saudi Paper Group, is the largest tissue paper mill in the region. Right now we're producing around 96,000 tons per year. We're adding a new production line from Tiscotec that will add another 30,000 tons to our production. Saudi Paper Group is a fully integrated company. We have we are one of the largest converters and the largest tissue mill. We also have a Saudi recycling company that serves our paper mill. The exhibition is really good for us. We met with a lot of clients, a lot of big players. Everyone that is involved in the business is here, whether it's local manufacturers, Saudi manufacturers, regional manufacturers, regional players, and international players as well. We have a lot of big companies that are coming in from Italy, from elsewhere in the world. So I think this exhibition met its target. It actually did, to be honest, better than what we expected. We're expecting to come again next year, hopefully.
السلام عليكم. معكم محمد قطاوي من مصنع أبو ظبي الوطني للورق. احنا شاركنا بالمعرض هذا، كل سنة بنشارك فيه. المعرض كان ممتاز جدا، وجميع الزبائن اللي زاروا المعرض من أكثر من دولة، في من ساوث أفريقيا، في من نيجيريا، من المغرب، من الجزائر، وبعض الكاستمر المحلي من السعودية، من الكويت، زائد دول الخليج يعني قطر، البحرين. وكان المعرض جدا ممتاز، وفي أغلب الكاستمر راضيين عنه. إن شاء الله بالسنة القادمة المعرض القادم سوف نشارك فيه إن شاء الله.
Okay. Good afternoon. My name is Riccardo Campo, Managing Director of Riccardo SPA. It's an Italian company that produces machinery for paper mill, and he is specialized in tissue paper for the paper mill. The fair is an interesting fair. We received several inquiries from the area, from Qatar, from Pakistan, from the Emirates, and it is very interesting, and so we think to be next year again here.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Abdelmoula Edada. Actually, I am located in the Netherlands, working for Omia Netherlands, for Omia International, located in Switzerland. I've visited the show different times as a participant, and seeing the very nice setup of the show and the great visitors that are coming to the show, we have decided to showcase our portfolio for the first time this year. It has been a very nice organized event, very heartwarming with all related customers, huge above expectation relating to the amount of customers. We have been very happy to introduce our qualities and also introduce our new business development to our existing customers. and gave us also the opportunity to get in touch with the new customers. Based on the very nice experience and the great organization and the amount of interesting customers that we have been able to meet up, we will be certainly planning to participate in next upcoming show next year. See you soon.
My name is Işıl Bandatçıoğlu. I am the General Manager of Alfred Group. We had really efficient 3 days. All our exhibitors are very happy, really satisfying. Very fruitful meetings were held here. All professionals were here. Next year, end of February, we are going to organize our exhibition again. And we are planning to add one more hall because there is a good demand coming from the companies who exhibited here. And we received good number of new visitors. They would like to have booths as well. Thanks for our exhibitors coming here and being with us at Paper One Show. And see you next year, 2023, end of February in Sharjah again. Thank you.